How to turn on flashlight by tapping the back of your iPhone. So here is how to do it. First of all you have to do is look for the settings app from your iPhone's home screen and simply tap on these settings. Once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the accessibility button available in there. Inside accessibility, tap on the touch. Once you tap on the touch, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the back tap option available in there. Once you tap on the back tap, you will get to see double tap or triple tap button available. I'll simply choose the double tap, then scroll the list and select the touch or flashlight option available there. And once you tap on the flashlight, now all you have to do is tap the back of your iPhone 2 or 3 times depending on what you selected. If you have selected double taps, do it 2 times. If you have selected three or triple tap, then do it 3 times. And your flashlight should turn on. Then you will have to tap again to turn it off. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.